Hello guys, in this video we will be learning a new theorem which is related to radius, tangent, perpendicularity. It is the converse of the previous theorem we have learnt in the previous video. So the statement of this theorem is that the line perpendicular to a radius of a circle at its outer end is tangent to the circle. So what this theorem says is that I have taken a line L which is touching the circle at point P, and OP is the radius and OP is perpendicular to line L. Since OP is perpendicular to line L at its outer end, so we have to say that line L is a tangent to the circle at point P. So we have to prove that line L is a tangent at point P. So I have taken circle with center O and OP as the radius and line L touching the circle at point P. I have written this in the given, that is a circle with center O and radius OP, where P is the point on circle and line L is perpendicular to the radius OP at point P. So what we have to prove is that line L is a tangent at point P. To do this we have to prove this we have to do some construction work. That is, I have take a point P on line L, take a point Q on line L and join OQ. Now I have taken a point Q on line L and I have joined OQ. Now we will go towards the proof. Now you can see that triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle. So I will write in proof that triangle OPQ is right angle triangle at angle OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. Since they have given us that OP is perpendicular to line L, so we can write that OPQ is 90 degree. Angle OPQ is 90 degree. Now you can see that OQ is the hypotenuse. So as we know that hypotenuse is always larger than the other two sides of the triangle, so I can write that OQ is always greater than OP. Hence we get that OQ is greater than radius of circle, since OP is radius of the circle. Hence we can take any point on this line such that OQ becomes greater than the radius of the circle. So you take this point Q at any point on this line. We always say that OQ is always greater than radius of the circle. Hence we get that point Q of the segment OQ never lies on the circle, since it is greater than OP, that is radius of the circle. Hence we can say that since OQ is greater than radius, point Q never lies on the circle. Hence we get only point P on circle as well as line L. Now by definition of tangent, we can say that line L is tangent to circle at point P.